In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple pages to Beacon's AI link in bio. To get started, head over to the official Beacon's website and log into your account. Once you're signed in, go to your dashboard and select Link in Bio. This will open your main Beacon's page editor, which is where you'll manage the content visitors see when they click your link. Inside the editor, look for the option labeled Plus New Page. Click on it to begin creating an additional page. This is useful if you want to organize your content more clearly instead of putting everything on one single page. For example, you might want separate areas for business content, personal links, services, free resources, or your shop. After clicking New Page, enter a name for the page. Choose something clear and easy for your audience to understand at a glance. A good page name helps visitors know exactly what kind of content they're about to open. Once you've entered the name, click Add New Page to confirm. Beacons will then generate that page for you. Next, customize the new page with the content you want to include. You can add links, images, videos, social profiles, products, and other elements depending on what you want this section of your link in bio to do. You can also rearrange the content inside the page so the most important items appear first. That makes the page more useful and easier to navigate for visitors. If you want to create more than one extra page, simply repeat the process. Click Plus New Page again whenever needed, give the page a name, and add your content. This makes it much easier to separate different topics and keep your link in bio clean and organized. To manage the pages you've created, go to Page Management. From there, you can edit page details, rename pages, hide or show them, or delete pages you no longer need. This gives you flexibility to update your setup over time without starting from scratch. You can also customize how people navigate between your pages. Beacons allows you to display your pages as tabs at the top or through a hamburger menu. Choose the style that best fits your layout and makes browsing simple for your audience. Before sharing your link, use the preview option to see exactly how your pages will appear to visitors. Click through the navigation and make sure everything looks correct and works smoothly. Once you're happy with the result, copy your Beacon's link in bio URL and add it to your social media profiles so people can start exploring your pages.